So hi everybody. I have a question for you. Why do you think most people go see the doctor? Any guesses? Go ahead, unmute, answer. Don't
Because
answer
they're not feeling well.
because they're not feeling well. Other reasons why somebody might go see a doctor.
Preventative care.
Checkups.
Checkups. All right. So in 2021, the NIH did a study that showed the top reasons why people go to the doctor. There are 25 reasons, and I have consolidated them into 5, but there are other reasons in the top 25 list. I've just sort of clumped them into 5 reasons. So stress, pain, fatigue, skin disorders, and the common cold. Those are the top 5 reasons why people go to the doctor. So I'm Kandas Rodarte, and I do a whole bunch of stuff. I have this whole list of things that I do. I am the host of the Gratitude Geek podcast. I've been doing that for over 10 years. Episode 224 dropped today. It's a conversation about building wealth with Ryan DeRosu. And I also have been hosting Small Business Coffee Hour for about 4 years. And the final Small Business Coffee Hour is actually this Thursday at 6 p.m. Our topic is productivity tools for busy solopreneurs. Come celebrate with me if you want to. I'll drop the link in the chat in a little bit if you want to register to attend that event. It'll be fun, and I'm sharing my favorite hacks for staying productive. I also run a small group coaching program for female solopreneurs who've had something super crappy happen to them. It's part mastermind, part water cooler, part board of directors. It's very affordable. It's just $97 a month for 3 hours of coaching per month. And I've also been living with metastatic breast cancer for over 10 years. So as a breast cancer patient, I go to chemo treatment every 3 months, every 3 weeks. I have been in cancer treatment for the last 10 years, and I will be in cancer treatment for the rest of my life, going to treatment every 3 weeks. I get an infusion of a drug called Herceptin. Herceptin is a miracle drug. It's one of those drugs that has transformed the lives of millions of women. Without that drug, I and several million other women wouldn't be here today. So I'm a huge fan of traditional pharmaceutical medicine, but I am also a huge fan of non-traditional medicine. I can be in charge of the things that I do to keep myself healthy. So some of those things that I've done are aromatherapy. I always have essential oils diffusing in my house. I love having reflexology treatments done. I go to a float tank on a regular basis, and during the really bad treatment, I was going and getting acupuncture done immediately after the treatments the treatments that kill you. I was going immediately to have acupuncture done to keep me from getting nauseous. And guess what? Not once during a year of the treatment that makes you sick all the time, not once did I vomit. I was nauseous, but I never vomited. About a year ago, I was introduced to a neurotech company called the Super Patch Company. Neurotechnology is your brain. I didn't really know a lot about it. I don't understand it. I'm not a neuroscientist. I've never really been in the health and wellness sphere before. If you'd asked me 13 months ago if I wanted to be in your health and wellness company, I would have laughed at you because I don't really understand health and wellness. But somebody told me about these patches and that they could help with my pain, my inflammation, my neuropathy. And I said, okay, I'll try. It was a friend. I did a friend a favor. So I ordered a package of patches. My hip was bothering me. I put a patch on my hip, and 15 seconds later, the pain in my hip was gone. And so then I couldn't stop talking about them. I'm just going to briefly go over what each patch does. But before I do that, I'm going to show you a quick 90-second video that shows the Liberty patch, one of the primary patch in action. So here we go. And it's okay if you can't hear it. Actually, I'll mute it. I'll just talk you through it. This test was done about 3 or 4 weeks ago, and I have seen this test done on other people, so I knew what to expect, but I never had it done to me. And obviously, my balance and stability are very poor without wearing a patch. So you can see that it's really easy to tip me over during the lateral and the dynamic stability tests. This is the finger grip test. You put your finger in a ring and somebody tries to pull it apart, and it was really easy to pull my fingers apart. And now we're putting the Liberty patch on my arm. And I kid you not, this is seconds later. I I had to actually edit out me laughing because I was laughing hysterically. But here we go. Seconds after putting the patch on, I am stronger and more stable, and laughing hysterically because it's just so hilarious that it could work that well. So my dynamic stability is greatly improved. Dynamic stability helps you walk and not fall down the stairs. And then my lateral stability, immensely improved. Lateral stability helps you get in and out of the car, in and out of the shower. And my finger grip strength, watch this. She can't open my fingers. All because I put on a 2-inch patch. 2-inch little patch. So that's the Liberty patch. It provides more energy, more strength, more balance and stability, reduced inflammation, better range of motion, faster recovery, higher neurological homeostasis, and anti-aging. The Defend patch, remember, one of the reasons people go to the doctor is because they have the common cold. Well, if they want to prevent themselves from getting the common cold, the Defend patch is a great tool. It gives you greater immune support, enhanced blood flow, faster recovery, and improved natural healing. And this is what it does to your blood. So before wearing the patch, your blood looks like this, all clumpy, maybe lined up like coins in a coin purse. And then after you put on the patch, either 15 minutes or 30 minutes later, your cells are oxygenated and they are flowing freely through your veins. So that's the Defend patch. The Freedom patch is the patch that I put on, and 15 seconds later, the pain was gone in my hip. The Peace patch, one of the reasons why people go to the doctor is stress. The Peace patch produces immediate calmness and manages and reduces stress. The Focus patch helps with enhanced focus and attention and clarity. The REM patch provides better sleep and all the benefits of better sleep. And I've done a presentation on better sleep that I will link in the show notes if you're watching the replay. But if you aren't sleeping well, there's a whole myriad of things that are wrong with you. And last night I put the REM patch on and I slept like a baby. The Ignite patch literally burns calories at 25% more calories at rest. So you can sit around and you're burning 25% more calories. The Kick It patch helps overcome bad habits and fights cravings. And the Victory patch, this is a game changer patch for athletes and people who have neuropathy. So it increases athletic performance, more power, more strength, more balance and stability, enhanced stamina, more agility, enhanced neurofunction, enhanced HRV, reduced inflammation, better range of motion, enhanced neuropathy relief, faster recovery. And because it is drug-free, professional athletes can use this patch without breaking any rules because there's no drugs. And they can wear it either in the ring or on the field. And it helps cheerleaders have better balance. There she is wearing her Victory patch. And look at her go. Pretty cool. All right, the Joy patch. This patch has changed my family's life. It provides natural joy, positive attitude, happiness, and optimism. My husband does not leave the house without wearing one of these patches. He has severe social anxiety, and it helps him get his butt out the door. And then the Rocket patch. Reclaim energy, better stamina, more passion. This is a patch just for men. It replaces the little blue pill, and I already know of one confirmed pregnancy because of this patch. Not saying the patch caused the pregnancy. I'm just saying that the reclaimed energy, better stamina, and passion led to the activities that would lead to the pregnancy. And the Lumi patch. The Lumi patch is pretty phenomenal. It creates radiant, glowing complexion from the inside out like a halo. It activates the biophotonic, the natural biophotonic activation. So it aspirates the skin cells. This is before and after pictures. Both of these ladies are people I personally know. This is Kim. Kim has a scar right here in her cheek. And 45 minutes after wearing the patch, you can barely see the scar. That's from wearing a patch. And then this is Charlene. This is her before picture. 24 hours after putting on this patch, she looks 10 years younger. So phenomenal, phenomenal. So who do I want to meet? I would love to meet chiropractors because I can help them extend the benefits of their services. I would like to meet massage therapists, personal trainers, estheticians, and reflexologists. These are all people who are already seeing potential clients who would benefit they would benefit from these patches because the patches will extend the benefits that the chiropractor, the massage therapist, the personal trainer, the esthetician, the reflexologist are providing to the client. And I need to wrap up, so I'm just going to forward to the end here. Here's my contact information. Easiest ways to get a hold of me are text, WhatsApp, or email. And my virtual business card is KandasRodarte.com. If you go to KandasRodarte.com, that's all my contact information. And if you want to learn how these patches work, send me a message via one of those ways that I just showed on my screen, and I will send you this video that details how these patches work. I'm Kandas Rodarte. I feel super groovy, and I want you to feel super groovy too.